Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Vibiemme espresso machine, and this was brought in because the steam wand wasn't working. And so yeah, we ended up replacing the whole assembly up in here, and now it works fine. So let's test it. We'll just pull a shot to start. Beautiful. I'll stop there at about 2 ounces. Healthy discharge from the group. Let's test some water. Nice hot water. Do the steam. The assembly here is a little stiff, but that'll just loosen up over time. It's because it's new. This machine has some powerful steam. It's pretty crazy. Man, great. All right, yeah, the machine's looking good, and there's no leaks, so wrapping it up. Vibiemme working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.